Hello and welcome back to Be Creative channel. Today I'm going to show you this Bullock Cart. You can make it easily from waste material. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Be Creative. So let's see which kind of material we need to make this craft. An old phone box, Fevicril clay, Fevikwik or any superglue, Fevicol, acrylic paint, paper tape, scale, compass and scraper, here I'm using this kind of book binding sheets. Just open the phone box and cut it from the sides. After that, just cut this part from both sides. Now make some lines with pen and cut the strips. Now stick the strips together and fix it here like this. Now use this binding sheet and cut it from here. Now fold it like this. Now I'm going to paste this sheet here. I'm using white paper tape. Now I'm going to make Bullock Cart wheels from this binding sheet. Just make a circle and make 3 circles inside the big circle. Cut the circles now, just like that. Use some matchsticks. Now stick with Fevikwik. Now cut the upper side of matchsticks and fix it with Fevikwik. I'm using Fevicryl molded clay here. I'm making some clay coils here to make design on Bullock Cart. Now stick the coils on wheel. So now it's completely dry. I made some designs on Bullock Cart. I'm using this matchstick to make this design here. After completely dry, I'm going to color it with acrylic black color. Just color the whole Bullock Cart here. After completely dry, I'm using this metallic golden color. I'm using this foam sheet to highlight the Bullock Cart. You can use any type of foam sheet or foam also. Just paint it like this. Now I'm using this broomstick to fix the wheels. I'm using this pen cap to make the stand of Bullock Cart. Fix it with Fevikwik. So our Bullock Cart is all ready. So let me know in the comment section below that do you like it or not. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So keep watching my videos and give me a thumbs up. I will see you soon. Bye bye.